Now friends, I have an interesting problem with me over here. Our parallelogram is cut by two sets of M lines parallel to the sides. The number of parallelogram thus formed is. Now friends, to make the problem easier, what I can do is I can take some comfortable value of M, right? So let's take the value of M as 3. You can take any value, but I'm just taking 3, right? That means I have drawn 3 lines parallel to the sides, that is parallel to both the sides. I just draw that. So this is the situation, right? So now it's very easy for anybody to say the number of parallelograms. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 into 4, that is 16 parallelograms will be formed, right? That's very easy to say, and that's definitely there in the options also. Bright chances are that that will be in options. Maybe here it is not there or not, I can't say. Now what's a mistake that we are making by calculating just 4 into 4, 16 parallelograms? What I'm doing over here, I'm just calculating the small parallelograms. These are formed, right? But just see this. This is also a parallelogram. Similarly, this is also a parallelogram, right? So we cannot make the various parallelogram and keep on counting, right? There should be some logic behind that. Now what that logic is, just listen to me carefully over here once again. See, to form a parallelogram we need 2 points from this line and 2 points from this line, right? Now how many points are there on this line? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many points are there on this line? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? If I select 2 points from this line, suppose I just change the color of the pen, wait a moment. Suppose I select these 2 points from this line and maybe these 2 points from this line, right? Now if I draw the line from these points, something like this, right? And from these 2 points, I'm sorry, I'm not able to draw a straight line, right? So what I get a parallelogram over here, that is this parallelogram, right? It's A, B, C, D. I hope you can see. So this is A, B, C, D, one parallelogram we can see, right? So if we choose all the combination of 2 points from this line and this line, we'll be getting all the number of parallelograms that are being formed from these points, right? So what I have to do, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to select 2 points from this line, and simultaneously I have to select 2 points from this line. So it's further 5C2. Now 5C2 is what? 10 into this 10, that is 100. So how many parallelograms I'll be getting? That is 100 parallelograms I'll be getting. Okay. Now when M was 3, my answer is 100. Now you can use the options. You just put the value of M in the options, and wherever you are getting the answer as 100, that will be your correct choice. So this is obviously not the correct choice. Here 3 plus 2, 5 square, that is 25 by 4. This is not correct. Similarly 3 plus 1, 4 square by 4. That's also not correct. Obviously this is correct because it is the last option. We just put the value. M is equal to 3. So 3 plus 2, 5 square, that is 25, into 3 plus 1, that is 4 square, that is 4 into 4 by 4. So it's 100, right? So when M is equal to 3, the answer is 100. So we put the value of M as 3 and got the correct choice, right? I take one more problem like this, so the concept will be cleared in your mind once for all.